Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader at techtrader.com. It's Thursday, the 20th of July, and these are the charts of the day. A very tough day on Wall Street, fueled by the large cap tech stocks, which were way overbought over the last few weeks, and we're due. But obviously, even with the strong earnings, Tesla and Nvidia, it was a sell the news thing, and the markets went lower. Don't know where it's going to be tomorrow because this is possibly the beginning of a downside thrust. Going to be careful here, folks. But there are some stocks, and every day there are, that run and we trade them. Take a look at AHI, which exploded in early June, literally went from 1 to about 15 and then dropped down. Falling wedge breakout today. Mine picked up to 8.6 million. Now it was up about 18-19%. The targets would be 6 and 8, and we'll see where that goes from there. BOIL, Boyle, looks like the inverse head and shoulders is being tested, meaning the falling wedge broke out today, was a pop out above the moving averages. Logical target would say the stock should go to 77. We'll keep an eye on the resistance there. DWAC after hours exploded on settlement of SEC charges. Literally went from 1284 to 18 plus. It's trading 1665 after hours. The follow through could get to 1819 or more. EVLO breaking out of a base today with a pop from 6 to 1327, doubling, finishing 1121 up 474, a 73% gain, nearly 5 million traded, but that was a breakout day, and I'm looking at for a stock to get into the mid to high teens. Gfai spiked as well. Mine was only around 70 million as it popped from 405 to 809, doubling, backed off to 650 when it was still up 242, a 59% gain. It backed off resistance. But this gap here and that level around 8 3/4 would be a possible target, followed by 12. ICAD, after popping 2 days ago and pulling back, it had an engulfing bullish reversal day. Once this gets above 395.4, which is the near-term resistance, I would look for about 4 3/4 and then 6. NBIX has now been up for 7 days in a row, but small amounts, not getting too far ahead of itself. Overhead resistance is about 830. We get through that, we're looking for a $10 stock. Notv also had a pop today. Look at that long base. It's a beauty going back to November. It tagged the declining top sign today at around 7 and backed off to 684, but held most of the gains up 177, a 35% gain on 6 million plus. This looks like it could get up to the January high and test 8.5 next. ORIC, beautiful pop coil breakout, and now this flag. Now today it was up 39 cents or 5%, but it looks like it's emerging or beginning to. Keep an eye on 845, 890. Those are levels. If it breaks out of here, it can run. Targets 9 3/4, 10, 11.5, 12. PRFX, after popping and pulling back and popping again, it pulled back once again to test, but today snapped back from 730 to 1137, only to finish back at 969. Still up to 58 or 36%, 24 million traded. And now I'm looking for a move into the high teens if you can get back above 11. RIVN is beautiful. It's hanging in there with a beautiful type of flag. For the last week and a half, after a monster run, it won't give up its gains, at least not yet. Current support, 23.25 and 22.5. If we hold that level, move across 27, 26.90, 27, could get into the low 30s. Sgma, Sgmatron, exploded as well today. Jumped 362 to 485, finished for 68.05, 30% gain. Mine was 6.7 million. Looks like that's coming through resistance. Next target around 6. TARS in the pharmaceutical group, biotech, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth wave spike up today to resistance. So I'd be careful with this one. Did close well, and it might follow through to 27.8. But again, a little longer to short term, but it's broken out of the base. It may need to set up and then go some more. Longer term targets 28 and then 32. UNG, with Boyle moving, Ung is moving as well. I think if Ung gets to 790, it may run to 8 3/4 and then near 10. That's it for the hot stocks at techtrader.com. Good night, everybody. Talk to you tomorrow.